Solving combination equations. This video is really important because this does not go with a lesson in our book right now. This is a lesson in solving combination equations. So you must watch this video carefully. We'll be doing our work on the board or on worksheets during this time. Regular equations that we've been doing look like this one, x plus 2 equals 8, and this one, 3x equals 9. We're pretty good at solving, checking, and showing all work on these. A combination equation is sort of like combining these. So if you notice, this is a combination equation. It doesn't just have x plus 2, it has something times x plus 2. This is also a combination equation. It doesn't have just 3x equals something, it has 3x minus 7. So there's extra stuff, so there's going to be more steps. That's why the process is so important. Okay, so here's a combination equation. 3x plus 2 equals 8. 3x plus 2 equals 8. Well, some people try to divide by 3 because you are going to divide by 3 at some point. And some people try to subtract 2 because you are going to subtract 2 at some point. But how do you know which one to do first? You're always going to do the adding or subtracting first. When you're solving an equation, this part gets taken care of first. So the first step to solve this equation would be minus 2 minus 2. Because we want x all by itself, we want to get rid of the plain number. We're always going to add or subtract first. So what does that leave me? That leaves me 3x equals 6. Now I get to divide. So divide by 3, x equals 2. Then what do you have to do? Then you have to check it. Exactly. How do you check it? First you write the original problem. Next, you put what you think x is back in for x's place. We thought x was 2, so we're going to go 3 times 2 plus 2 equals 8. Then we're going to do the math. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So yes, that side is 8, and 8 equals 8. Now we checked it. Okay, let's try another one. This is a combination equation. What should I do first? Remember, always take care of the plus or minus thing first. So, I've got minus 3. I'm going to do plus 3 plus 3. So 4x equals 16. Okay, now what? Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals 4. Now I'm going to check it. To check, what do you always do first? Write the original problem. 4x minus 3 equals 13. Now what? Put 4 in x's spot. So 4 times 4 minus 3 equals 13. Now, you look at this side and do the math and see if that's really 13. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 3 is 13. So 13 equals 13. Beautiful. Okay, here's another combination. Okay, this is the first time we've had one that looked like this. Okay, that's okay. It's still a combination. We're always going to take care of the plus or minus thing first. The adding or subtracting is always going to happen first. So our first step is minus 7 minus 7. Then we have x over 4 equals 3. Now what? Since that's dividing, we're going to multiply. So times 4 times 4. The 4's cancel on this side, and that leaves you with x equals 12. Then you have to check it. How do we check? We write the original problem. X over 4 plus 7 equals 10. Well, we think x is 12, so 12 over 4 plus 7 equals 10. Well, let's do the math. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. So yes, 10 equals 10. Okay, here's your video homework. Be sure to solve, check, and show all work. Have a lovely evening.